Hurricane by BFX Studios. This fluid and FX solver is built to replace the headache that is Blender's native fluid sim. Open the panel, hit start on a new simulation, and that's it. No baking nightmares, no cache folder chaos. If you do explosions, splashes, smoke, anything fluid heavy, this thing saves you an all-nighter. Grab it from BFX Studios page, links below. Interneq. Now updated to version 2.1. This is a massive interior and retail asset kit. Shelving, product displays, signage, store fixtures, the stuff that normally eats an entire afternoon to model and place. It's built specifically for commercial and retail scenes, so if you're doing archviz or product environments, this cuts scene time down to almost nothing. Available now, link in the description. This volumetric sky and cloud system is a full physical sky and cloud system that updates in real time right in your viewport. Drag a slider and watch the clouds shift instead of waiting on a render to find out what you got. It's not faking it either. The whole thing's physics-based, so you can punch in a real date, time and location, and the sun and moon land exactly where they'd actually be. Clouds and light respond to your scene too. Real shadows, not a flat backdrop stuck behind your subject. Stars, eclipses, and if you're the type who wants to mess with scattering and fog and every other parameter yourself, there's a deep advanced mode for that too. Works whether you're doing a tight product shot or pulling all the way back to a planet. It's the kind of thing that fixes what's usually wrong with a render without you ever quite knowing what it was. Links below, grab it before your next exterior render. Metalworks is a system for building metal that actually looks like it has a history. Rust bleeding through paint, oxidation, real wear patterns, not just a flat PBR shader slapped on a cube. If your hard surface or prop work always feels too clean, this fixes that instantly. Polydome. This solves lighting and ground reflections in one panel. An HDRI dome plus a fully controllable reflective floor. Reflect strength, roughness, bump, even puddle blending. That's studio-grade lighting and reflection built in seconds instead of hand-built with a dozen light planes. If you do product work, this replaces your entire manual lighting rig. Link below. Procedural Crowds Pro. This solves the problem most people just avoid, populating a scene with people. Instead of hand-placing and animating dozens of characters, it generates full crowds procedurally with built-in variation in pose and movement. Busy street, packed stadium, whatever you need. This makes those shots actually doable on a solo timeline instead of a nightmare. Grab it, links in the description.